Today we're diving into the TopoLite LED 600W Grow Light Kit, a comprehensive solution for indoor gardening enthusiasts. This kit boasts a user-friendly full-spectrum LED design, catering to all stages of plant growth from germination to flowering. Paired with a 60-inch by 32-inch by 80-inch dark room, made of heavy-duty 600D light-proof Oxford cloth and sturdy metal rods, it ensures a controlled environment for optimal plant development. The kit also includes a 6-inch ventilation kit featuring effective odor control, crucial for maintaining air quality in your indoor grow space. The combination of the LED grow light, spacious tent, and ventilation system makes it versatile for growing various plants, herbs, flowers, fruits, and vegetables year-round. Constructed with durability in mind, the TopoLite kit features large heavy-duty zippers and robust materials to withstand the rigors of indoor gardening. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned grower, this setup offers reliability and efficiency in creating an ideal indoor growing environment. That if you're looking to maximize your indoor gardening efforts with a comprehensive, easy-to-use setup, the TopoLite LED 600W Grow Light Kit could be your best bet. Stay tuned as we explore its features, setup process, and performance in detail.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.